After I got all checked up.
Following you.
Okay, you want to listen to them?
Yeah, they ride my way right behind
It's
you.
nice. Look, guys, we are here now in the morning on a beautiful sail heading to
Heading to Almeria.
Almeria. All right, so
Wow. Yeah,
we got some dolphins here coming up.
Hey, you're right here, Slim. Hey. Next one coming behind there. Torpedo. Somebody, yay! Somebody let me see a jump.
You know, dolphin now, you need just like, come on in. I think they're pranking me up with this dolphin, but anyway, I got a nice sleep.
Wow. Yay! Woo! Right here.
Hey, hey! They come in, it's a bunch of them. There she is. They going underneath. They going under the boat.
Yeah, they playing with the boat.
Hi.
You want here?
Yeah. Same in the back now.
They show themselves like they did to you with the jump. When they come, they don't hide. They do a splash, you know?
A little puppy. Same, yeah. That's a baby one. That's a baby dolphin. Yeah, there she goes. Come, girl. Sit down.
The bigger the waves, the more they can.
Yeah. They riding us. See them jumping through? Woo!
Playful.
They're just saying hi to you guys, and yeah, we got a little bit of dolphin action going on. I wonder how long they're gonna follow us, but yeah. Cool.
That's be the last time.
That's just for y'all. Y'all deserve that.
See you there.
The captain is happy, and he's not. They going away, man. They eating fish. Woo.
Right in. Right in.
He wants some fish.
Oh!
They coming right now. See him coming?
Oh! Everywhere! You're sailing a dolphin!
See him behind you right now. They think to say baby now. See ya? They are trying to say hi, you know. Say, I know the ladies on board. We just want to cheer up. Look at those mountains, guys. Look at that. So that means we're getting close to Almeria.
Sailor's best friend, you know?
When we get there, we'll be getting a video soon. But here we're just catching up after this big day, you know. So last night was kind of horrible, but we got through it. We made it through it, and yeah. So stay tuned for some episodes of everyone else smiling. Okay, so today we're going to be making some mango salad. Yes, mangola salad today. So first you get a little knife and you cut the little top off. You make a little hole on the top like that, and then you take off a little on the sides. That's the point. And you add your avocado oil slowly in. Add it in. Okay, if you really like it, you put a lot. That's what I do. Then you add some sea salt right here from the sea. You add the sea salt and your avocado oil. That's how it looks. And then you can dig in and have a ball. This is what I call a party to remember. So what I did was thought about what to eat in the quarantine time. I won't eat too much food. So you just have something that gives you a vitamin C. And you get a little oil also for the body. And look at that. Look at that. Look. Beautiful, huh? Try it. Only on Sailing Shandy. Avocado mango salad. Hey guys, we're here. So we're gonna have some tomatoes. I eat tomato.
Tomato Almeria.
Yeah, we're gonna find some food. And it's about 10 o'clock. So we're gonna see who's gonna be open on our needs right now. So we're gonna see.
Fine? Yeah. Come on.
We're leaving Almeria now. Such a quiet place, peaceful place, and well established, I could say. So we're now heading on the next journey, which will take us to the unknown, because we have like 3 different places we're thinking about. We're going to choose one before we reach to our point. That place was awesome. Captain looks happy. Skipper happy.
Admiral
I'm happy.
Admiral happy.
So we're heading, and look at this smooth water. Look at this. Look at this. And this is going to be for a few hours. Look at that. Imagine sailing that for a few hours. Awesome, huh? Give thanks for another day, another blessing. And yeah, we're leaving Almeria now. So we see you soon sometime. Maybe not.
Hasta la próxima. Until we see you again.
What's the captain saying?
Hasta la próxima.
It's the próxima.
Until we meet again.
All right. Those by the beach.
Up now.
You know, drilling now.
We'll do it right now.
Exercises today. It's too calm for them to do exercise today. So we are good.
Yeah. Hello.
Even the birds sitting on the water, they happy and all. They know it's calm. So you think this boat weekend? We're back about it. That look like an old rusty boat, but they're weekend. I know what to say about that.
Oh, it's got strap on it or something, isn't it?
Look like some kind of rusty garbage, huh? And that in the shallow water too. That water ain't really deep. Where he is. This is the way we came in. We came in from this way. And the birds just sitting there, calm as ever. See that?
Going up that road, right? It's big. We are 25 meters of water. Nice distance from land. Or traps, garbage, or any mysterious object in the water, as had been reported by the Navy earlier.
They need to talk about that. They're talking about the rusty boat. But yes, this is our view, and we are anticipating the arrival of the next stop. So we're gonna just change on to channel 16 and listen out for anybody. Okay, that is the normal channel 16. Okay. I'm gonna take it down 5. About to make a turkey sandwich. We call it cold cuts. Yes. You have your tomatoes, your lettuce, bread, turkey, pavo in Spanish, mayonnaise, and cheese of your choice, and a little olives. Cold cut turkey lunch on Sailing Shandy. Woo! Bite in.
Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. We worship you, Lord. We worship you. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag thrown high. He will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. He will sing, dance and shout the victory. Blessed is the man who trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag thrown high. He will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. He will sing, dance and shout the victory. Yeah. Somebody raise your hands and give God the praise. Hallelujah. Can I see the dance that love Israel? Come on, dance unto the Lord, for he's worthy. Hallelujah. Blessed is the man that trusted in the Lord our God. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag flown high. He will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. We will sing, dance and shout the victory. Yeah, victory. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. We worship you, Lord. We worship you. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag thrown high. He will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. He will sing, dance and shout the victory. Blessed is the man who trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Blessed is the man that trusted in you, Lord, whose God is the God of the armies of Israel. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag thrown high. We will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. We will sing, dance and shout the victory. Yeah. Somebody raise your hands and give God the praise. Hallelujah. Can I see the dancers that love Israel? Come on, dance unto the Lord, for he's worthy. Hallelujah. Blessed is the man that trusted in the Lord our God. Though he be tried in the fire, he will yet come forth. He will stand on the mountain with his flag thrown high. We will sing hallelujah for Jehovah reigns. We will sing, dance and shout the victory. Yeah, victory.
Look at the sunset, guys. Look at this beautiful sunset here for you. We're riding now in Steak City, where a lot of fish steaks is around. We call it Steak City when there's a lot of steaks. So yeah, we're trying to get through it so that we can park up. There's too much steaks. I'm talking about steaks. And look at that sunset anyway, right? Look at that. Balerma, city called Balerma, and we found a nice anchorage here. It's a little close to town, not that close in the water, but we could see actually, and look at the calm water. So this is a good opportunity to take that smooth anchorage. So yeah, our destination is still going on, but we have to make a stop to rest. We're not robots. look at that sunset going down. And this is where we're at now.